Good AM. Today is April 4, 2024 Thursday, and here are the 10:30 AM SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Shore 3 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 4, 2024 Thursday. Here are the SL Shore 3 10:30 AM draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, April 4, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of April 4, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.